friends, this is one of my favorite stories. It's called Oliver's Wood. It talks about an owl who usually is up at nighttime and what happens when he's up during the day. When night falls and the moon and the twinkling stars come out, Oliver wakes up in his wood. "Doo-yoo," he calls. The spiky hedgehogs and the stripy badgers wake up in the woods too. Sniffle, sniffle. They are Oliver's friends. So are the batty bats. Oliver likes to fly around with them in the woods. Whiz! Oliver and his friends play all night long. Then, when the moon and the twinkling stars grow dim, they go to sleep. Because now it's going to be daytime. One night, Oliver stayed up too late. He saw the moon and the twinkling stars grow dim. Then he saw something he had never seen before. A big, round, warm, orange sun. Oliver was very excited. He went to tell the spiky hedgehogs and the stripy badgers, but instead there were rabbits and squirrels. Hippity hop went the rabbits, skitter scatter went the squirrels. They didn't talk to Oliver. Do they know Oliver? Oliver went to tell the batty bats, but instead there were butterflies. "Look at the sun," said Oliver. But the butterflies flew away. Flutter, flutter. Oliver felt very lonely. He flew back to his branch. He wished he could tell someone about the sun. Oliver lay down on his branch and slept. Night fell, and Oliver's friends came out to play in the woods. "Wake up, lazy bones," he shouted. When Oliver opened his eyes and saw his friends, he felt very excited. "Guess what?" he called. "I saw the big, round, warm sun." "Wow," said the prickly hedgehogs and the stripy badgers. "Whee," said the batty bats. "Tweet, tweet, too," shouted Oliver. And they learned all about what happens when they are asleep during the day. So now we're going to work on a project. One part is the daytime, which is the light blue, and the nighttime, which is the dark blue. You're going to need your scissors, a crayon, white crayon, and a yellow crayon. So for the daytime, you're going to make a sunshine, any way you know how. And you're going to use your one. You can make a full moon, a crescent moon, any kind of moon you want. You can color it in. And then think about our book. Here are the animals. We saw a badger and a bunny and a squirrel and a hedgehog and a butterfly and a bat and an owl. And you can decorate your animals any way you want. You can choose other colors. Then you're going to put your scissors on your thumb and your fingers down below, and your thumb's going to point to the ceiling, and you're going to cut on the lines. Remember, move your paper as you go. Keep your hands still. Okay. You're going to cut them all out. And even though a badger looks kind of like a skunk, it is a different animal. And a hedgehog kind of looks like a porcupine, but in this story, it's a hedgehog. And then when you have all the pieces, you're going to decide where they go. Where does the owl go? In the daytime or the nighttime? Normally it's in the nighttime, but in our story it was in the daytime. And the squirrel, was it the nighttime or the daytime? It was the daytime. And the butterfly, when did it go flapping around? Nighttime or daytime? And that badger was out at night. And so was our friend the hedgehog. And here comes the rabbit. Where does rabbit belong? Let's think about that one. He was in the day. And that batty bat who likes to sleep upside down, who was out at nighttime, belongs in the night picture. And that's the animals that go along with Oliver Wood. You can choose to color them, you don't have to color them, but sort them. Make sure your paper is stuck together and have fun with it. Bye, friends.